So here I'm just going to use this label x1, x2, x3, so on and so forth, xn, to represent these measurements. They don't tell us the number, but they do tell us that the range, which will be the difference between the greatest and the least, and note here I am arranging them in increasing order. So this is the range that's given to us. Now they tell us that the number 6 was added to each of these measurements. So this will be our new measurements. This is just to help you kind of see what the result, how it'll show up. Sometimes it's easier to see it with this kind of a structure. I mean, of course, you can also do it conceptually, and you don't have to have that framework at all. And then these measurements were divided by 10. So this would be the new value after those two operations. They're asking for the range of this final set of measurements. So that range will be the difference between the greatest and the least. And you'll see same denominator. The top just becomes xn minus x1. The 6 drops out because you're adding it to every single value. So essentially that means that the range of new set would be the range of the original set divided by 10. Some of you might have seen this result immediately and without having to do any of this. That's great, but if you're having trouble, this kind of helps you see why the result is 2.47, which is choice E.